We actually got the broccoli at a very minimum rate, which was really great. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Sajan Rai, this is Dog Boo, and today I am going to Simkharka, that village over there. It is actually next to my village, and I'm going there to get some vegetables and moreover to see a very new breed of rabbit. जुन चाहिँ त्यहाँनिर सिप फार्म पनि छ बाइ द वे, त्यहाँ सिप फार्ममा लिएको छ अरे एउटा नयाँ breed of rabbit हैन. So I'm more excited to see that. So like I'm going to get some vegetables also हैन. So don't question my ethics or social responsibility right now because I basically have some freedom. Okay, so I'll be joined by Gandup. He'll be helping me to like reach that place. Actually, he'll be showing me the direction. I've been there, but I particularly don't know the sheep farm and certain places where we get vegetables. Fresh vegetables पाउँछ त्यहाँनिर बारीबाटै ल्याउने हो. It is a very short distance, खासैमा भने चाहिँ. And I'm actually wearing my riding jacket, which wasn't that necessary हुन्छ नि for a very short spin. तर पनि I felt like I should wear it because I have not wore it for really long time and I missed it. बाटो त खतम भइसक्यो नि यार. I have allergy. My bike has allergy with sludge. And मेरो laptop चाहिँ it is still in Siliguri. So lockdown नै चलिरहेको छ र सिक्किममा त अब there is like certain freedoms. So we are being able to like travel district भित्र चाहिँ हैन, तर बाहिर जान पाएको छैन. So my laptop still Siliguri छ and I have huge problem with editing stuff. I have to do it on in my phone, everything. र phone अब iPhone को चाहिँ storage त तपाईहरुलाई यादै छ. If you are an iPhone user, you must be knowing the issue with the storage. It is like really bad. र म फोनमै अब यो टर्निङ चाहिँ अलिकति भन्दा पनि निकै अप्ठ्यारो छ है, किनभने ढुङ्गाहरू यस्तो पेबल्सहरू छ नि त. Okay, that was smooth. Like मेरो previous भिडियोमा there was a very good response हैन, and मेरो आजसम्मको highest subscription within 24 hours दिलाइदिनु भएकोमा हैन, भ्युजहरु पनि राम्रै आएको थियो. And I know like cinematic भिडियोजहरुमा भ्युजहरु राम्रो आउँछ भनेर, तर अब I don't have the required gadgets to create beautiful cinematic videos. Whereas when I am behind the handlebars, I like to keep it things real. Basically, when I do motovlog, I like to keep it very simple and as raw as possible. Gandup को घर यहाँमा थियो. I don't know त्यो कहाँ निस्किन्छ, त्यहाँ पर पनि निस्किन सक्छ. Okay, Gandup त पर गएछ, पर निस्केछ. मोटोभ्लग गरेको नि ठिकै छस्? छैन नि हो. यसको लागि माफी. यहाँ भनेको पिलियन हेलमेट छैन. So this is Begha बस्ती. माथि यो चाहिँ बेगा बस्ती हो. यहाँ माथि चाहिँ सिमखर्का हो, द प्लेस वी आर गोइङ. यहाँ भनेको निकै टप हुने हो नि त. यो जग्गा चाहिँ दामी मजाको छ है, बसेको जग्गा छ नि. बसेको जग्गा चाहिँ दामी देखिहाल्छ अटोमेटिकली हिलमा. So I've actually lost 2 kgs in 16 days, and that is one of the greatest achievement till now. And yeah, I am still in the process of losing weight and giving a good shape to my body. And I want to make a video on my workout and my diet plans and everything. So if you want to like know more on that, you better subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss it the next time. यहाँ त क्या चिज रहेछ है? क्या चिज हो न? बादल क्या लागिरहेको छ? हाम्रो यहाँ हेर्न लेउहरू यस्तोमा चाहिँ है ब्रेक लगाउनु पर्यो भने त स्पिडमा केले थाम्नु? सिमखर्का पनि दुईटा छ, अप्पर र लोअर. हाम्रो जिरो पानी पाला पाला जस्तो छिटाउँदैछ त. So this is the end point 0. यहाँदेखि उता चाहिँ रोडै छैन. So this is the end point. निस्कियो त के छ होला नि. प्याराग्लाइडिङ चाहिँ मैले त्यहाँ माथिदेखि गरेको थिएँ हैन. त्यहाँनिर ग्राउन्ड छ. It's a beautiful place. So we have reached the sea farm. We are going to the sea farm. It is like over there, a few meters away. So yeah. So the weather is really pleasing. At its finest. There's no fog and all. So यहाँ तल चाहिँ Gandup Valley देख्छ हैन. It looks really beautiful तर as because of fog you can't view anything. It's a beautiful village over here. This is a very different terrain हुन्छ नि. अब हाम्रो जग्गा मेरो घर भएको जग्गा र यहाँ चाहिँ अब it's a very total different because it is in very elevated like point, so it is very elevated, so it's a different terrain. So this is actually a very beautiful location. Sea farm चाहिँ हो यही भएर छैन. And we just clicked some beautiful pictures that you can see in my Instagram. It is Mr.Rai_200 and like you can find the link in the description box also, so go check it out, do follow. So this is sea farm over here, and look how beautiful it is. This is भेडाको सेट अरे हैन. र अहिले भेडा चाहिँ छैन रहेछ. भेडा चाहिँ grazing, it's the grazing hours, so they are out. यहाँनिर चाहिँ छ भन्दैछ rabbit, so we will be checking out. So ambo कत्रो गर्दै है. Like they are really huge. Huh? So it's a very different breed, right? So they are here for testing, you know. उनीहरुको for को लागि चाहिँ यहाँ टेस्टिङ को लागि मात्रै अब they could survive or not भनेर लिएको रहेछ. ब्रिडहरुको नाम चाहिँ याद भएन भने, but it is like they are like very huge and very floppy, very floppy. Can let's go. It's like they're like really floppy. So we just had been inside and the rabbits were really huge and ठुलो थियो, अब bigger than the normal ordinary rabbit that I have seen. And it is said that the rabbit ko fur it is even more expensive than the sheep wool, you know. So yeah, if it happens to be successful and यहाँनिर अब मजाले नै survive गर्न सक्यो भने चाहिँ I think अब अझै अरूहरू पनि ल्याउँछ होला and they'll farm. So this place is like so quiet that you know म आफै पनि बिस्तारै गर्दैछ. I'm also feeling that vibe, you know, so quiet and peaceful and एकदमै दामी. I'm just enjoying it. And Gandup is doing some stupid stuff over there. I don't know, he's going crazy. It was a very good day. However, we are off to get some sabzi. After that, we'll be leaving. We'll be going to get some very, very fresh, right from the field itself. Some broccoli and yeah, broccoli and stuff. Okay. So we are leaving now. Sabzi चाहिँ छ कि छैन भन्दै यहाँ पुरा डाउट हुँदैछ हैन. ब्रोकौली यहाँ सोध्दाखेरि चाहिँ छैन भन्दैछ. So I did not connect my mic. किनभने ब्याक लगाउनु पर्छ किनभने अगाडि टाइम लगाउनु पर्छ. कस्तो लाग्यो? ठिकै छ. गरम भयो नि त मलाई पुरा. गरम भयो नि त. ब्याक हो छ छ. सोध ब्रोकौली छ. मटर हैन. 1-2 केजी जस्तो. कहाँनिर हो यो टर्निङ माथिको? त्यहाँ कोही मान्छे छ भने भनिदिनुहोस् न, हामी जान्छौँ नि. हिँड्दैछौँ. So like we have just been here to get some broccoli, and we actually got the broccoli at a very, very minimum rate, which was really great. The lady over there was really awesome, but everyone in that house was literally drunk and they were having really good time, you know. तर यस्तै अब गाउँघरमा यस्तै हो. तर एकदमै फ्रेन्डली, एकदमै मजा आयो. हामीले चियाहरू दियो. And yeah, we got the broccoli, 1 kg broccoli at a very minimum rate, the minimum price. All thanks to that lady over there. So the bike has got weight. So as a go activity, we did everything like rabbit area, and we got the veggies also. So we'll be leaving now. So I'll be stopping here at Gandup place for a while. Yeah, भनेको. So it's time to leave. Lo, go. Let's go. And so yeah, I stayed in Gandup's place for a while, and this was it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you have come this far, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, and if you really enjoyed it, you can share it and let others enjoy in this quarantine. And yeah, I did not connect mic because I was feeling very lazy. And yeah, that is it for today. See you in the next vlog. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.